It improves the reality part of the virtual reality, you know. Obviously, it doesn't change the way I see anything, but the reality part of how things feel is usually missing in VR. You know, you can't feel yourself physically doing anything in a game other than what you feel in the real world. But adding things to the VR experience enhances the R part of VR. So it makes it feel more real. It makes it feel more immersive.
It's shaking a lot. I don't have the kind of a feeling over here. This is preferable to have it like this. Really gives me the feeling of shooting. Okay, I'm gonna dominate the battlefield.
Having actually like a Gunstock, it's like when you can have actual places in space where you are, those things won't move. Whenever they go, it's like always the same distance away, always at the same spot. Unlike not having one, it's like you're not sure like how long your gun is, how short it is, like are you holding the gun in which way, and it just makes the whole experience kind of crumble.
Oh, even going back to here is really smooth. Like in-game versus exactly where it is right there. Like, so I can almost see where the handle is without actually seeing it, you know?
Getting accustomed to this is a lot more simple than with ProTube. I'm learning this thing very fast. It's really pick up and play.
As someone who is really pretty much no experience in VR, I was really impressed at how quickly I was able to get into the mode of using it. It's shocking, actually. Like, he pointed out at one point that I had changed through 3 different sizes of weapons without even taking the headset off. Like, I'd never actually physically done it until I had the headset on, and I was, you know, just like, oh, okay, SMG, let's pull it in here. And now we're ready to go, and it took 2 seconds. Okay, I didn't even realize.
Your Gunstock should be able to use every gun, but the reality is most Gunstocks don't give you the ability to use every gun, not even guns of the same class, and this thing can do everything. The idea that you shorten the gun by shortening the length of the barrel here is like how you would think a gun works. The gun's barrel and the whole composition just shortens when you switch guns, whereas with like ProTube stuff, they decided that the gun would start shifting in different spaces to go shorter. You don't think like that. You don't think guns go up and down when they go shorter. You think just they go inwards like they do here. When it clicks with this, you understand what you're supposed to do, not what you're expected to do.
I don't want to have to take my headset off and adjust the device. Even if it's only 30 seconds of my time, it still seems kind of like a pain when you compare it to 2 seconds of my time. This feels nice, and I could even maybe adjust this. Oh yeah, that's better. And again, all that, and I didn't even have to take the headset off.
One thing that was lacking with the ProTube stuff was cocking a shotgun. It just kills the experience. It's so difficult to do.
What's the point if I have to take the controller out every time and pump and put it back? Like, that's just annoying. You know, I'd much rather be able to.
I've always been taught that you point your fingers both like straight forward, and that's your configuration. But with here, you can just sort of give it a bit of a twist, and then suddenly you are looking where you're supposed to be. I'm not sure if you were able to even do that with ProTube stuff.
As soon as I thought the thing couldn't do something, it was able to do it. You know, I can move the gun this way, this way, this way.
What I thought is that it's just a given thing that just happens with Gunstocks is you don't align with the real space. But twisting my wrist, suddenly it's there. And it's like, how? Gunstocks don't do that, but this one does.
When I went from not using it to using it, I immediately did notice like some aiming and some precision boosts and speed boosts. But I think, funny enough, the most dramatic difference was when I went back to not using it. And I was like, oh, wait a minute, like this, everything just felt wrong. I'm trying to manually adjust my hand, and I'm looking for the hitbox here. And the hitbox, everything just keeps kind of moving around because my hands are naturally shaky. But if I'm grabbing here and I have something physical to hold on to, then I feel like I'm a lot quicker on the whole draw thing. I mean, that was a night and day experience. I don't know if you can see that on camera. If you're looking at any kind of video game peripheral, you want everything to be intuitive. Feel ergonomic, lightweight, sturdy, feel high quality. It checked all those boxes.
The whole thing is just solid. it doesn't flex unexpectedly.
It's not gonna break or it's not gonna fail me in the middle of a game. I feel like I could drop it a few times on accident and it wouldn't, like, you know, fall apart. It feels like it took a long time to invent.
You can feel you have it, but it's not that you get tired of holding it.
I got used to having it. I don't think I could see myself playing without it.
This feels like a complete product that you sell to people. ProTube feels more like a hobbyist thing.
If you really want to start playing VR games, then this is a really easy choice. It will provide super nice gear to the hardcore players.
I would assume things about the Gunstock, and the Gunstock would like prove me wrong. It's like, this isn't a rule set in stone. You can do this. It's very, I'd say, revolutionary in this space.